afternoon, everyone. This is Ajat Kumar from CIC IT Department, Assistant Professor. Today we are discussing the topic about Java introduction, its features and functions, basically, which is the backbone of the Java programming. So Java, as we all know, is a programming language and platform. It is a high-level language, robust, secure, simple language. It is developed by Sun Microsystem in 1995 by Ryan James Gosling, which is the father, known as the father of the Java. Before Java, its name was Oak. Since Oak was already a registered trademark, so after some time in 2010, it is acquired by Oracle, and now it is a product of Oracle. If you talk about the platform, any hardware or software environment in which a program run is known as a platform. Since Java has a runtime environment, its own runtime environment, it is called platform independent. So if we talk about the history of Java, it is also a very interesting topic. Originally, the basically Java were designed for interactive televisions, but as a too advanced technology for the digital cables television industry at the time, initiated this project, we develop a language for digital devices such as set-top box, televisions. However, it is the best suited for internet programming. Now, as we discuss right now, it is developed by James Gosling, who is known as the father of Java. The small team of Sun Microsystem, which is called as Green Team. So initially designed for small and embedded system in electronic applications like set-top box. Firstly, it is called Green Talk because the name of the project was Green Team, led by James Gosling, and in starting its file extension was .gt, as its name suggests, Green Talk. After that, it is called Oak and was developed as a part of Green Project. In 1995, Oak was renamed as Java because it is already trademarked by Oak Technologies. The primary objective of Java language to create to creation of was to make it portable, simple, secure language. Apart from this, there are also some excellent features which play an important role in popularity of this language. The first one is it is very simple. Java syntax is very clear, easy to understand, and based on C++. So because most of the Java's functions and features are based on C++. Java also removed some many complicated and rarely used features, for example explicit pointer or operator overloading. It is also as we know, Java is object oriented programming. Everything Java is an object. Object oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different type of objects that incorporate both data and behavior. It simplifies software development maintenance by providing some rules, so it is also very good feature of Java. Java is platform independent, unlike C and C++, which are compiled into platform specific machines, while Java is a write once and run anywhere program, because Java's code is converted into bytecode which we can share with other systems. It is secure. Java is, we can develop various virus free systems which is secure because there is no explicit pointer and inside a virtual machine sandbox where the programs are runs. It is robust. Robust means strong. It is used strong memory management. There is a lack of pointers that avoids security problems. Provides automatic garbage collection which run on the Java virtual machine. To get rid of objects which are not used by a Java application anymore. There are exception handling and type checking also there in Java mechanism. Java is portable because it facilitates you to carry the Java bytecode into any platform. As we know, Java program when run compiled, it convert its file into bytecode. The bytecode is the heart of the program where we can easily port to another system It is also Java is distributed because it facilitates user to create distributed applications in Java where data is stored in multiple systems and connect when it is required to communicate. This feature of Java makes us able to access files by calling the methods from any machine to on the internet. The main part of Java programming, because it is so popular, is because it's run in JVM. JVM means stands Java Virtual Machine. It is an abstract machine because it does not have physically exist. It is a specification that provides a runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed, and it can also run those programs which are written in other languages and compiled into Java bytecode. JVM are available for many hardware and software platforms. JVM, JRE, JDK are platform independent because the configuration of each OS is different from each other. However, Java is platform independent because it loads the code, verify code, execute code and provide runtime environment. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Is it also written as Java RTE? The runtime environment is a set of software tools which are used for developing Java applications. It is also you provide the runtime environment. The implementation of Java is physically existed. It contains a set of library and other files that JVM rules at runtime Java program. JDK, it is the main core software tool which contains JVM and JRE. It is the acronym of development kit and software development environment which is used to develop Java application and applets. It physically exists in our system. It contains JRE plus development tools. The JDK contains a private Java virtual machine and few other resources such as an interpreter, a compiler, a documentation generator to complete the development of a Java application. The main applications of Java where Java is used and most widely famous in web applications, mobile applications, desktop applications and enterprise applications. The main feature and why Java we known as the most popular language because we can create any type of application in Java, whether it is games, desktop related application, mobile application. Even we are looking for or become a developer, Android developer, then we need to be very good knowledge of Java basics because Android development basic and its core is based on Java. So if we want to Android developer, then Java must be known as good skills. So it is, as we discussed, Java is a very popular language because it is widely used in industries. Thank you.